Hello my dear students, today we will learn why can't we leave radicals, that is roots, in the denominator and the secret of using conjugates to simplify complex expressions. Have you ever looked at a fraction and feel like something is upside down? In maths, we have a golden rule. Don't leave a radical, that is a square root, in the denominator. It's like wearing your shoes on the wrong feet. It definitely works, but it's not standard now. So changing this into a rational number is what we call rationalization. First of all, let's learn simple roots. That is a single term. How we will rationalize a single term. Our first example is 3 by root 5. We know that root x into root x is x. Let's understand it step by step. First of all, we have to multiply the numerator and the denominator by root 5 so that we don't change the value of fraction. 3 by root 5 को root 5 से multiply और divide करना है. देखो अगर हम root 5 और root 5 से multiply और divide करते हैं तो हमारा 1 आता है. किसी भी नंबर को हमने 1 से multiply किया तो वो नंबर सेम रहता है. That means its value is not changing. So therefore we will get it 3 root 5 over 5. Ta-da! No more square root on the bottom. It looked clean and professional. Case 2 is the conjugate trick. That is the binomial denominator. What if there is a positive or negative sign? Here we just can't multiply by root 3 because the 2 would get messy. Instead we use a secret weapon. That's called conjugate. So let's simplify it step by step. Here what we have to do is we have to multiply and divide the numerator with the conjugate. So the conjugate of 2 plus root 3 is 2 minus root 3. We just have to change the sign. If here is plus, then we will multiply it by negative, and if here is negative, then we have to multiply it by positive terms. So the conjugate means simply the change of sign. So we will get 2 minus root 3 by 1. 1 कैसे आया? देखो 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. We know the identity a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. Here a is 2, so a square, that is 4, minus b square, that is root 3 square, which is equals to 3. So we will get 1. Hence the denominator here is 1. Okay. Common mistake. Don't forget to multiply the numerator too. This is one of the most common mistake that students do. If you only change the bottom, you have changed the whole number. Also, always check if you can simplify a fraction further at the very end. So let's quickly recap what we have studied till now. If we have a single term, we will multiply it by itself to rationalize it. And if there are two terms, we will multiply the conjugate. We will multiply by the conjugate. That is, we have to switch the signs. So, can you see that rationalization isn't about changing the value. It's just about changing the look. Practice a few of these and you'll be master of radicals. See you in the next lesson.